Hello and I welcome you to the most controversial sale of the year in Flipkart, and that is LG G8X thinq dual screen. And there is a reason I'm calling it as controversy. Though a very few people got successfully ordered this phone for 20,000, but there is a catch in it. Soon after, Flipkart cancelled their orders saying that the demand is high and stock is low, which is acceptable unless Flipkart sold this exact same phone at an increased price of 22,000 not once but twice in 2 days, and that, my friends, is not a fair way of doing business. So today in this video we will be looking at the unboxing and a few camera samples of this phone. So before we dive into this video, a sub channel is highly appreciated.